Hi guys! In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm talking about the color burn blending mode, and I will show you quick usage of that to enhance dull images. To better understand, I explain it on a grayscale. I duplicate this layer and change its blending mode to color burn. As you can see, the shadow area becomes darker, and the midtone to highlight area gets more contrast. The color burn increases the darkness and shadows and enhances the contrast from midtone to highlights. Enhancing color is one of the uses of color burn. So if you have a bright and dull photo, you can improve it with this technique. In this photo, the wall behind the woman is not good enough, so I want to enhance it. At first, I separate the woman into a new layer because I don't want to modify it. I duplicate the background layer and change its blending mode to color burn. You can see it gets more contrast and saturation. To adjust its intensity, you can use the opacity value. As you can see, by this simple use of color burn, we can get a considerable natural enhancement in the image's color and contrast. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I would appreciate it if you like this video and place your comments. If you are interested in photo editing, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can find many Photoshop tutorials for free. And be sure to turn the bell on to get notified when a new video is uploaded.